In this video, we'll explain how to view, write, and submit assignments. To begin, navigate to the Activity menu within the Roombr platform. Upon accessing the Activity menu, you will land in the Assignment tab, where all assignments are listed. Click on the assignment title to view the assignment in detail. Here, you can see all the details about the assignment, such as the description, any attachments, and the due date. To write and submit your assignment, click on the Choose a File option. Select the file containing your assignment and then click on the Submit button. Alternatively, you can write and submit your assignment directly in the description column provided on the page. Once you have submitted the assignment, its status will change from pending to submitted. After the teacher evaluates it, the status will automatically change to evaluated. Please note that once the due date is over, the assignment will expire and you will not be able to submit it.
Roombr.